Hello, welcome to the OpalShop, and here we have a specimen from an unknown field. It has been wetted, so I could easily show the bits of opal that it is in this material. Here it is. Give you a bit of a good zoom in. So we've got a nice colourful face of opals over here, and then I'm going to turn around. So I've got most of the parent material still lingering here, but with some nice veins coming through, so and they move around, which indicates that if you cut right around here, you might get a nice face of opal right here. It doesn't go all the way through, so this is probably just chunk material. This is just the chunk material, so this is where it comes from. It cuts through here. But mostly is for that, and it's low grade, but quite nice to begin practicing. You still get seams of opal all around, but well, I hope you enjoyed. Thank you.